Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back again to my channel, our channel, Leah B and Tatino. This is the pigeons of Puma 33, my nephew. So, I make this video premiere for him as a very thankful. I am very thankful for all the blessings he gives to me since he adopted me as tita. Puma 33 adopted me as his tita, Zia. So this is for you, amore, tesoro mio. And I make this today because yesterday I am very happy for, you know why? I don't tell here why. I was very happy. Unexpected. So I hope you have time to listen this video, guys. This video, amore, tesoro mio. This is for you. That's why I make this for you, because yesterday, you know why I am happy today, since yesterday. And okay, I let you guys to see this video, the pigeons of Puma 33. And if you like, guys, the video, you connect to Puma 33. Please support to him, and likes also this video. Subscribe me if you are not yet subscribed, and then share if you like to share. Thank you, guys. So Puma 33, thank you very much, amore, tesoro mio. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video that I make for Puma 33, my nephew. And please, guys, connect to him, support, because he is a very kind-hearted person, and he gives blessings, support to others' channel also, before and after he meet me. I know that before he was supporting many channel, and then even though now he adopted his tita, he continue supporting others also. So connect to him, guys. And he is a nice person. For me, he is nice person. Maybe also for you. So thank you very much, guys, and see you. Thank you. Arrivederci. Ciao. Thank you very much, tesoro mio. Thank you. And Thank you for your love to your tita. And I love you also. Bye-bye.